Guys, welcome to my first video. So I am thinking a lot what to make. So then I decided to make a makeup video. Today I'm gonna do my makeup. So disclaimer, I'm not a good makeup artist. I just do normal makeup. So today I do a makeup with very less products. So I hope you will love it. Before starting the video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to see my all the videos. Thank you, and let's get started in the video.
Like a Hellcat.
So first of all, I'm applying this moisturizer to moisturize my face. So yeah, I am applying this. Again, I'm giving you a disclaimer, I'm just in 9th class, and yeah, just this is my journal makeup which I do when I go to parties and all. So yeah, I'm applying my moisturizer. After applying to my moisturizer, I will blend it perfectly in on my face. So actually I have two mirrors. So I have one in my hand and one was kept in there. So it is done. Now I am using aloe vera gel at the place of primer, because if you don't have primer, you can use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel works same as primer, and it helps to in light makeup. If you want to do light makeup, you can use aloe vera gel at the place of primer. So now after applying aloe vera gel on your face, blend it perfectly, and I am also blending it. Sorry if you are getting bored, I know I'm very slow. So I have applied my aloe vera gel, and now this is time for BB cream. I'm using here Fair and Lovely BB cream. I don't apply foundation or concealer in my journal makeup, so I just apply BB cream. So I am using BB cream from Fair and Lovely. Now I will blend it on my face. So first of all, I will apply it on my face and then I will blend it. So you can see how I apply it on my face, and I will blend it by my hands only because I don't have beauty blender. So with my hands only I will blend it. So guys, I have done with my BB cream. I know it's not visible to you. After doing the makeup I will show you. So now I'm doing my eyeshadow. It's a palette, and let me show you which eyeshadow I'm gonna apply in my eyes. So guys, I wanna use this pink eyeshadow on my eyes. Here it's my eyeshadow brush. So let's apply eyeshadow on my eyelid. So the main thing when you will apply eyeshadow, so blending is very important. So blend your eyeshadow very perfectly. So first of all, I'm applying this pink eyeshadow on my outer crease perfectly. I will apply it on my both sides. Sorry guys again if you are getting bored because I'm really slow. So now I'm gonna choose this golden eyeshadow in my inner crease. I will choose very little eyeshadow because it's just a normal makeup. So I am applying now this golden eyeshadow and mismatching it both. So if when you use both two eyeshadows in one eye color, so you have to blend it very perfectly. So I'm doing the same. So guys, sorry again. So I'm blending it. So again I'm saying blend it perfectly as I am blending it, because blending is really very necessary. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. So I don't apply any eyeliner on my face. I will tell you after why not. Now it's time for my blush. So I'm using this mini brush for my blush, and I'm using this pink color blush for my face. So let's apply blush. So now I will apply this blush on my face, and always remember, when you are applying blush on your face, keep smiling, because your brush will look more beautiful when you apply it when you are smiling. So I'm applying the blush. So yeah, I am applying it. So I have applied my blush. Now I want to tell you that I will not apply eyeliner on my face because I don't know how to apply eyeliner. So this is the face powder which I'm now using above my blush. So now let's blend it. So actually I'm again telling you, I don't know how to apply eyeliner perfectly. That's why I'm not applying eyeliner, as well as I don't know how as well as I don't like eyeliner. So it's your choice. You can apply eyeliner as well as you can skip this. So now I am covering my face with this face powder. I don't know the company of this box, but it is eyeshadows, blush and face powder together in it. So yeah, I have done with my face powder, and now I'm looking in the mirror. So yeah, it's done. Now I will apply this puff and use another face powder to settle all the makeup. So let's apply this. You can also skip this one also. So I am done with this. Now I am applying this kajal. I don't know the company of the kajal was visible to you or not, so I will apply kajal. Let's apply the kajal. So I don't know how to apply eyeliner, so that's why I'm skipping that. If you know how to apply eyeliner, so you can apply that, but I'm just applying the kajal. First of all, I was thinking to do that, but never mind, I was not doing that because it was not doing perfectly. I have tried it, but no, हुआ नहीं. So yeah, I am done. रहने देते हैं. So yeah, we skip that. Okay, now I will use this brush. I don't know the name of that brush. Let me tell you the name of the brush. It's Urgent 2 brush. Actually I'm reading this manual because I don't know the name of it. It is used to give the volume to your eyelashes. If you don't have this, so you can skip this. I have it, so I'm using this. So it gives you a volume to your eyelashes, that's why I'm using it. So yeah, I have done this. Now I'm applying Baby Lips balm or lip gloss. Let me show you the company name first. Let me show you. It's from Baby Lips. I love this color a lot, so of course I'm applying this. So this is my favorite, one of the favorite lip shade. I love to apply it a lot. So lipstick is very essential. You can use lip balm at the place of it. So I'm done with my makeup. My makeup is done, and this is the final look. So if you guys were thinking that I have not applied a much products, so this is just a journal makeup which I do when I have to go in my friend's birthday party or in little parties. So I do this much makeup, and I wanna apply eyeliner, but I don't know how to apply perfectly eyeliner. That's why I drop up. And let me show you from here. So guys, I've just applied some little bit of blush, some eyeshadow, lipstick and kajal, and yeah, so this is my video. And actually I shoot from my phone, that's why I am picking it up. So if you like it, so make sure to give it a big thumb and subscribe to my channel and comment down if you like this look or not. Thank you. Thanks guys, I hope you like this video.